Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's episode, Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Air Max 91 Hybrid OG. Now if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I live every Saturday, and with that all being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before I get into it, like I always do. Inside the box we have the Air Max 91 Hybrid OG, which released back in June 2018. It came in your standard red and white Nike sportswear box. You've seen them once before, so you are all very familiar with this box. And here is the box label. So colorway is white and university red, and this is a UK 9.5. Would have got my normal UK 10, but this was actually an eBay pickup, which I got for an absolute steal. I think I paid £130 all in for this shoe. If you look at StockX prices, for a 9.5, they're looking at about £250. So I saved myself £120 on these, and I am so happy about that, because this shoe is the shoe to unite Air Max 1 fans and Air Max 90 fans together. It is the best of both worlds, and I just need to get into the box and show you, because it's just such a wicked shoe. So obviously, like I said, eBay pickup, so you've got your eBay authentication stuff. But dude, I don't know why this shoe was slept on. It's freaking awesome. Like, to actually have a one-upper with a 90 sole is just genius in my opinion. And like I say, it is the shoe to unite the ones and 90 fans together. Tell me if I'm wrong. It came with some additional white laces, so I thought I'd just show you that before I get into the shoe. But yeah, without further ado. So as I was saying, it has this upper of the university red Air Max 1. The one of them all to start it off, so what a perfect colorway. Has this really nice tumbled leather on around the toe box on the white and around the collar of the shoe up the top. You've got this it's all leather, upper, so you've got this nice soft like university red toe box around with this red leather and the swoosh as well, and then that light grey on the upper parts here. Going on to the back, you have the red Nike text stitched into the back, and yeah, then you have this big white 90 midsole with the white air unit going onto your standard 90 waffle outsole with the reds, greys and blacks. Oh dude, this shoe is just so cool. I generally, considering I like my 90s, I was unaware of this shoe even existed until recently, and I feel like I've been sleeping under a rock. Like, how did I not know this thing was out there, and why did I not pick it up sooner? I'm definitely wearing this on holiday. The sock liner, nice soft sock liner with the university red Nike Air text inside. I know fancy sort of aglets or anything on it, just your standard whites, laces, and the university red eye stays. So it's kept very true to the Air Max 1, but with that 90 extra, which I am here for. So yeah, without further ado, there's no differences between the shoes, so let's jump to some on foot. Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps you massively growing the channel. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding this shoe or any other shoes I've covered on the channel. It's called Let's Talk Creps for a reason. Let's talk about them. But until next time, I hope to see you all in the next video.